Yeah, how you going there, Bob? You alright?
Hello there, Bob Proctor.
The law of attraction. Tell me more about it.
The law of attraction.
The law of attraction. The law of attraction. So what is the law of attraction? What does the law of attraction even mean? What's it all about? Today in this video, we're actually going to be diving into what the law of attraction is all about. And our guest speaker is Bob Proctor. Yay! Everybody loves Bob. Keep watching, because Bob Proctor is about to explain everything about the law of attraction. Bob Proctor explains the law of attraction so simply. Paradigms. You gotta change paradigms. Watch the video and learn about the law of attraction, because you're only gonna live once, so you might as well try and bring some awesome things into your life.
Hello there and welcome. I'm Bob Proctor. And I'm going to take you back a little in time. There's no PowerPoints. There's no great technology. I'm going to use a flip chart because I want this to be in real time, and I want to explain something to you that not many people really understand. I want to talk about the law of attraction.
Who is this law of attraction guru, Bob Proctor? Who's Bob Proctor? Bob Proctor is a guru in the law of attraction arena, and he is going to explain what the law of attraction is. You need to change your paradigms. Change your paradigms, you change your life.
Wow.
Bob Proctor. So Bob Proctor is going to be explaining the law of attraction, the basics, the foundations, talking about conscious and subconscious mind. And so that's what today's video is all about.
Do you know that the law of attraction is always working? It's like the law of gravity. If I let this go, it's going to go down. It's never going to go back up. It's going to go down. That is the law of gravity. Anything heavier than Earth is attracted towards the center of the world. Well, the law of attraction is always working.
You've heard a lot of people say, change your thoughts, change your life. The law of attraction. The law of attraction, if it's always working, then what am I thinking about right now? Oh, how good would a cheeseburger be?
Now, how does it work? Well, I use a diagram to explain the mind. Now, let this circle represent your mind. And let this little circle here represent your body. Now, I want you to think of this for a moment. Your body is a molecular structure. This is a massive energy and a very high speed of vibration. If you looked at your body through a microscope, you'd see that energy dancing right before your eyes. And here's something that'll keep you thinking for the next 20 years. When you move out of it, the body does not stop moving. If you go to a funeral parlor and pick up the remains and look at it, you will see it moving. And if it wasn't moving, how would it ever change to dust? You move into your body and you will move out of it. And it's how you use your mind that's going to dictate the vibration you're in. Now stay with me. You have an imaginary line right across here, and that separates the conscious mind from the subconscious mind. Now, the subconscious mind has been programmed. When you were a little baby, this is the way it was. You were just like this. Subconscious mind wide open, and everything that was going on around it went right in there. And all the energy that went in there when you were just a little baby formed something called a paradigm. Now, a paradigm is information. It's a multitude of habits. You are the product of your environment, but prior to that, you were the product of a genetic strain that goes back for generations. Now, I'm going to say that the paradigm is X-type energy. Now, you've got the ability here on a conscious level to think. And you can think anything you want to think.
As you can hear from what Bob's saying, it's a lot of common sense, and it's pretty powerful stuff.
And as you think, you build ideas. There's a power that's flowing into your consciousness. It never stops. It flows to and through you. You can actually photograph this power leaving you. It flows to and through you. Now, as it flows in, you will start thinking, and you'll probably think X-type thoughts. Therefore, you're going to be in an X-type vibration. And that will produce X-type results. Now, it's the results you want to change. And to change the results, you're going to have to change what you attract. You see, the thoughts that you think Control the vibration that you're in. Vibration is nothing but an idea. It's a law of the universe. Everything vibrates, nothing rests. We live in an ocean of motion. And it's the thoughts that you're thinking that you impress upon your subconscious mind that control the vibration the body's in. And that dictates how you act, but it also dictates what you attract.
Now, I hope this is making sense for you guys. And if it's not, just go back and watch it again. And if you're actually struggling and it's not making any sense, then leave a comment and I'll give you some help personally. Also, leave a comment if you think it's awesome. Leave a comment if you think that Bob's the man.
You attract energy that's in harmony with you. You attract people that are in harmony with you. You see, everything operates on frequencies. There's an infinite number of frequencies, but you and I operate on a frequency just like a radio station does. And the only music you can attract is the music that is tuned into the vibration you're in. Now, it's the paradigm that has been controlling the vibration. You can change your thinking, but that doesn't do anything. You got to change the paradigm. And if you don't change the paradigm, nothing happens.
Wow, powerful stuff, hey?
But it's the thoughts that you think that control the vibration you're in, and that dictates what you attract. So if you keep attracting what you don't want, understand this. It's the paradigm that's causing the problem. You can think a Y-type thought, which is totally different than the X-type conditioning. It isn't going to go anywhere. Because when you go to get emotionally involved, and this is the emotional mind, when you go to get emotionally involved with that Y-type thought, the paradigm will kick it out. You know why? It's so uncomfortable. That's stepping out of the box. That's doing things different. And we don't like to do things different because it causes a lot of discomfort. But understand this. The paradigm and the thinking control the vibration you're in. And the vibration you're in is going to dictate what you attract. People that are in a poverty consciousness will continue to attract lack and limitation. It has nothing to do with this, what's going on here. This is your educated mind, and you could gather all kinds of information. Have you ever wondered why some people have such an educated mind? They have degrees coming right off the end of their business card, but it doesn't show up in their results. Why? Paradigm. The law of attraction.
Ah, now it's starting to make sense. I have a sneaky suspicion that Bob Proctor is onto something.
You've got to change this. You've got to change the vibration you're in, and your whole world changes. Listen, in 1961, a man gave me this book, and he said, do exactly what I tell you. He was giving me Y-type ideas. It caused an enormous amount of discomfort. But I did exactly what he said. And you know something? My income went from $4,000 to $175,000 in a year, and then I took it over $1 million. It took me 9.5 years to figure out what happened. This is what I'm showing you.
Wow, are you kidding? Whoa, go Bob. You're the man, Bob.
Watch this over and over and over again. There's a number of lessons in here. And another lesson, I'm going to show you how to change the paradigm. When you change the paradigm, the change in results is automatic. You know why? You start to attract something new, something different. And what we want to do is program in positive information and eliminate the negative. And I'm going to show you how to do that. The law of attraction. You attract according to the vibration you're in. This thing we live in is a molecular structure. Your body is a mass of energy. Do you know if you put your body in front of an infrared television camera in a completely dark room, your whole being would be nothing but a glistening, radiating, gleaming form?
Did you know that? If you're learning something, comment below what you're learning. I'd love to know if this video is helping you learn about the law of attraction.
Feeling is conscious awareness of the vibration we're in. When we don't feel good, we're in a negative vibration. You want to feel good? Move into a positive vibration. Stop and think of what you're grateful for. But understand this, you will never attract to you wealth, happiness, health until you get the paradigm and get you on that frequency. It's Bob Proctor, and thank you.
Thanks, Bob. Now I understand that it's not always easy to be operating on a high frequency. Life seriously is like a roller coaster, you know, emotions and feelings, and life's always up and down, and something good will happen and something bad will happen over here, and that's just the way life is. But you do have the power to be more conscious and try and change the way that you're thinking. Because as Bob just explained, what you're thinking is what you're attracting. So it all starts with you actually wanting to change things and making the difference. Now we all know about the law of attraction and the basic foundational elements involved with the law of attraction. So hopefully this video gave you some more insight into the law of attraction and how it works and what it's all about. And if you found value, then please comment what you learned today. And if you think it's valuable information, then go and share it with your family and friends, because I think everybody should learn about the law of attraction because it's always working. So time to become a little bit more conscious of what you're thinking. Because remember, whatever you're thinking is what you're attracting. Anyway guys, hit the like button. You know, the stock standard stuff that everybody says on YouTube. Like and subscribe and do this and do that. Do whatever you want to do. If you like the video, then obviously you'll like it. And if you think that I'm worth listening to, then you'll subscribe. Thanks guys. Peace out.